Toss-up 1. Earth and space, multiple choice. A tornado most often develops from which of the following types of cloud seen at the base of a thunderstorm? W. Shelf cloud. X. Mammatus cloud. Y. Anvil cloud. Z. Wall cloud. Answer. Z. Wall cloud. Bonus 1. Earth and space, short answer. Rank the following 3 types of detrital sedimentary rock in terms of increasing grain size. 1. Sandstone, 2. Siltstone, 3. Breccia. Answer 2, 1, 3. Toss-up 2. Life science, short answer. Urea and uric acid are both waste products that are intended to remove what element from the body? Answer. Nitrogen. Bonus 2. Life science, multiple choice. Which of the following best explains why there are no major populations of horse-donkey hybrids in the wild? W. The geographic distributions of horses and donkeys do not overlap. X. Horses and donkeys have different mating rituals. Y. The hybrids are sterile. Z. Horse and donkey gametes cannot fuse. Answer. Y. The hybrids are sterile. Toss-up 3. Energy, short answer. Researchers at the National Renewable Energy Lab have analyzed the stability of hundreds of new nitrite compounds. What is the formal charge of the nitrite ion? Answer, -3. Bonus 3. Energy, multiple choice. Argonne National Lab scientists are using machine learning to predict the structures of molecules that can behave as carbon-based wires. Given that metal wires transport electrons via d orbitals, what orbitals are these organic wires expected to use to transport electrons? W, S. X, P. Y, D. Z, F. Answer. X, P. Toss-up 4. Earth and space, short answer. Each day, high tide occurs approximately 1 hour later than it did the day before. This is due to the fact that what body reaches its upper transit 53 minutes later each day? Answer. The moon. Bonus 4. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following spectral classes of stars will emit the largest percentage of its light in the UV range of the electromagnetic spectrum? W. M. X. G. Y. F. Z. O. Answer. Z. O. Toss-up 5. Math, multiple choice. If A and B are mutually exclusive events, and the probability of A is 0.3 and the probability of B is 0.2, which of the following statements is not true? W. The probability of A and B is 0.06. X. The probability of the complement of A is 0.7. Y. The probability of A or B is 0.5. Z. The probability of B and the complement of A is 0.2. Answer. W. The probability of A and B is 0.06. Bonus 5. Math, short answer. What is the lateral surface area of a right circular cone with radius 5 and height 6? Answer. 5 pi square root 61. Toss-up, 6. Physical science, short answer. A wave travels such that it has a frequency of 20 Hz and a wavelength of 15 meters. In meters per second, what is its speed? Answer, 300. Bonus, 6. Physical science, short answer. A 17-meter organ pipe is open at only one end. In Hertz, what is the frequency of the fundamental mode? Answer, 5. Toss-up, 7. Energy, short answer. Scientists at Pacific Northwest National Lab are studying the processes by which iron rust forms. In rust, what is the formal oxidation state of the iron atoms? Answer, +3. Bonus, 7. Energy, short answer. Scientists at Jefferson Lab are organizing their data into matrices to perform machine learning techniques on them. What are the values, from left to right, of the first row of a 3 by 3 identity matrix? Answer, 1, 0, 0. Toss-up, 8. Life science, short answer. When bees pollinate a flower for nectar, both of the species benefit from this interaction. What is the specific term for this type of symbiosis? Answer. Mutualism. Bonus, 8. Life science, short answer. While the eutherian egg implants in the uterus, it is typically fertilized in what reproductive structure? Answer. Fallopian tubes. Toss-up, 9. Physical science, short answer. A photon with extremely high energy can result in the pair production of an electron and what other particle? Answer. Positron. Bonus, 9. Physical science, short answer. Identify all of the following 3 substances that can form hydrogen bonds. 1. Ammonia, 2. Argon, 3. Hydrogen bromide. Answer, 1. Toss-up, 10. Math, short answer. Solve the following equation for x, open absolute value x minus 5 close absolute value equals 8. Answer, minus 3 and 13. Bonus, 10. Math, short answer. Given the prime factorizations of the following 2 numbers, what is their greatest common divisor? 25 times 3 times 52 times 11 and 24 times 32 times 5 times 72. Answer, 240. Toss-up, 11. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following statements about the Earth's movement around the Sun and about its axis is true? W. It rotates around the Sun and revolves about its axis. X. It revolves around the Sun and rotates about its axis. Y. It revolves around the Sun and its axis. Z. It rotates about the Sun and its axis. Answer. X. It revolves around the Sun and rotates about its axis. Bonus, 11. Earth and space, multiple choice. Isotopes of which of the following element would be useful for dating a carbonaceous chondrite that is about as old as the Earth? W. Lead. X. Hydrogen. Y. Carbon. Z. Tungsten. Answer. W. Lead. Toss-up, 12. Physical science, short answer. What is the term for the transition from the solid phase to the liquid phase? Answer. Melting. Bonus, 12. Physical science, short answer. What weight, in newtons, must an object with a volume of 1,000 cubic centimeters have in order to neither sink nor rise when submerged in water? Answer, 9.8. Toss-up, 13. Energy, multiple choice. Scientists at SLAC National Accelerator Lab determined the coat color of a mouse fossil via X-ray fluorescence imaging. The organic pigments in the fossil have long since degraded, so they inferred the distribution of pigments by observing the distribution of what entities that are chelated by the pigments. W. Collagens. X. Metal ions. Y. ATP. Z. Mitochondria. Answer. X. Metal ions. Bonus, 13. Energy, short answer. Scientists at Argonne National Lab are studying the structure of the most magnetic mineral on Earth, magnetite. Magnetite most directly owes its magnetism to what element in its structure? Answer. Iron. Toss-up, 14. Math, multiple choice. A worker can assemble 5 computers in 7 hours. If he continues at that rate, which of the following is closest to the number of computers he could assemble in 100 hours? W. 70. X. 75. Y. 80. Z. 85. Answer. W. 70. Bonus, 14. Math, short answer. A certain medication has a 60% success rate of curing people who have a specific illness. If 3 people with the illness are selected at random and take the medicine, what is the probability that exactly one of the 3 people will be cured? Answer, 36 over 125. Toss-up, 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Astronomical objects that are less than 0.08 solar masses cannot get hot enough to fuse hydrogen into helium. What is the name of this class of object? W. Brown dwarf. X. Red dwarf. Y. White dwarf. Z. Black dwarf. Answer. W. Brown dwarf. Bonus 15. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following is closest to the ratio of Jupiter's surface magnetic field strength to that of the Earth? W. 2 million. X. 200,000. Y. 2,000. Z. 20. Answer. Z. 20. Toss-up 16. Life science, multiple choice. In a population of giraffes, giraffes with longer necks are more able to reach food sources, while incurring no negative fitness effects. Which of the following types of selection will take place in this population? W. Directional. X. Stabilizing. Y. Disruptive. Z. Neutral. Answer. W. Directional. Bonus 16. Life science, short answer. Identify all of the following three types of muscles that are controlled by the autonomic nervous system. 1. Skeletal. 2. Cardiac. 3. Smooth. Answer 2, 3. Toss-up 17. Physical science, short answer. If you subtract an atom's atomic number from its mass number, you are left with its number of what subatomic particle? Answer. Neutron. Bonus 17. Physical science, short answer. Consider the reaction of Fe3O4 with carbon monoxide to yield solid iron and carbon dioxide. For each mole of Fe3O4 that is consumed, how many moles of carbon dioxide are formed? Answer. 4. Toss-up 18. Math, short answer. If a number is increased by 40%, by what percent is its square increased? Answer 96. Bonus 18. Math, short answer. For some integer m, a school has 7m-11 students in its science club, and 3m plus 38 students in its band. If there are more students in the science club than in band, what is the smallest possible number of students in the science club? Answer 80. Toss-up 19. Earth and space, multiple choice. Which of the following best describes the conditions under which an artesian aquifer is possible? W. The aquifer is on top of another less permeable aquifer. X. The aquifer is dug deep into the ground. Y. The groundwater surrounding the aquifer is unconfined. Z. The groundwater in the aquifer is under pressure. Answer. Z. The groundwater in the aquifer is under pressure. Bonus 19. Earth and space, short answer. What is the oxidation state of silicon in olivine? Answer. 4. Toss-up, 20. Life science, multiple choice. Your knees are an example of which of the following types of joint? W. Saddle. X. Ball and socket. Y. Pivot. Z. Hinge. Answer. Z. Hinge. Bonus, 20. Life science, short answer. Corals produce a hard exoskeleton that eventually forms coral reefs. What is the chemical formula of the typical constituent of this material? Answer. CaCO3. Toss-up, 21. Physical science, short answer. How many single and double bonds, respectively, are found in one molecule of rhombic sulfur? Answer, 8 and 0. Bonus, 21. Physical science, short answer. A 500 Newton ballerina stands on her tiptoes, which distributes her weight over an area of 40 square centimeters. In pascals, what is the pressure she is exerting on the ground? Answer, 125,000. Toss-up, 22. Math, short answer. In triangle ABC, angle A measures 46 degrees and angle B measures 111 degrees. What is the degree measure of one of the exterior angles formed at vertex C? Answer, 157. Bonus, 22. Math, short answer. What is the sum of the integers between 1 and 70 inclusive? Answer, 2,485. Toss-up, 23. Life science, short answer. In sexual reproduction, the zygote obtains its genetic material from two haploid parent cells. What is the general term for these cells? Answer. Gametes. Bonus, 23. Life science, short answer. The hydrolysis of ATP to ADP results in the release of what anion? Answer. Phosphate.